Batsman Award. So I would say it's a better of a pitch. It is.
Okay, great. Anything that you want to share with us
Yes.
about this tournament and anything?
So there is one thing about I would say firstly Falcons. There is whenever Falcon has a tournament.
Okay, so we have captain of Rangile Share today, and they have won their first playoff match today. Rahul Kaul here.
Thank you so
Congratulations,
much.
Rahul Kaul.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, how was the day for you today?
Today we just started. We are a bit stiff. We played GPL yesterday and then we came here and we played. So bit stiff, but we started well, and that's a good thing for us.
So, what went well according to you?
There are a couple of things. We bowled amazingly well. Yesterday when we came in, we couldn't figure out things that you have to do differently in JNCC according to ground dimensions. We couldn't figure out. So we lost our first game, but then we came back strong. Today our bowling was phenomenal. We just gave away like 30 odd runs against a strong team. So that went well with us.
Great. So, what's your strategy for semi-finals?
Strategy is simple. Let's see who are our opponents first. And I think there is a set pattern that we have to follow. There is like 70, 75 runs. If you score on these grounds, it's going to be difficult for other team to score those runs.
What do you think about the pitch? Is it a batting pitch or bowling
No,
pitch?
it's a belter of a pitch. I came here last year. I won myself a batsman award. So I would say it's a belter of a pitch. It is.
Okay, great. Anything that you want to share with us
Yes.
about this tournament and anything?
So there is one thing about I would say firstly Falcons. There is whenever Falcon has a tournament, I'm definitely looking forward to it because I feel like I have a always trophy there. But amazing to come here. I mean, this is one area where I believe you can bring your family. It's a lovely atmosphere to be in, and you can you can sit in any corner of the ground and watch all three, four games, whichever you want to see, and that is phenomenal to have. And Falcons, one thing is absolutely punctual. If you say 4:10 is the game start time, 4:10 is the game start. That's what I expect with Falcons tournament. So amazing job done by last year as well, and this year continued. So that's very good job done by you guys.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Good
much.
luck for your next match.
Thank you so
This
much.
is Rahul Kaul from Rangile Share. Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you so much. Bye.
So we are fortunate enough that we have Dougal from JCA with us, and also who manages the national team for Japan. So we are very eager to know your views about this format of the game and the environment you are seeing around.
This kind of format, I played a lot of this kind of cricket when I was a kid. So I used to play street cricket and different forms of cricket. Whenever we could get a few guys together, play with tennis balls, paint balls, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I love it.
Thank you for bringing that up. Actually, the reason why we started this was to actually experience again those moments where we started the
Yeah.
cricket. I mean, the tennis is where you start, right?
Yeah.
So how do you feel the difference between a season ball game and the tennis ball game?
It's almost like there's even more passion and excitement just watching these games. It's very accessible. Anyone can play. We've got a wide range of different abilities, but everyone's just having fun. It's like a celebration of the game of cricket.
Thank you. And we were talking to a lot of people yesterday also, to the captains or whoever were visiting. All were actually appreciative about what Sano is doing for the cricket. And we were thinking like how Edogawaku can also do more about it. Do you have suggestion for Edogawaku how they can actually make use of such kind of facility, and how they can also kind of follow a pattern what Sano city has followed?
Yeah, I think they're very different. We're right in the heart of Tokyo here, so there's different. Oh, yeah.
Oh, we are in the middle of the game.
Sorry. There's very different challenges here, I guess, than working in Sano, which is an hour out of Tokyo. But I think what's happened here with this tournament, it's a great tournament. I'd just like to see it happen more often because it's very central to where people are living. They don't have to travel far. They can bring their friends, family to watch. So if anything, I'd just like to see something like this happen more often.
Great. I think we look forward to some JCA cooperation also on this, so that we can kind of do a synergize and kind of make best use of this facility. Thank you very much.
The JCA is very much supporting all forms of cricket, not just
Absolutely.
not just
Yes.
your
Season ball thing.
hardball, but yeah, love to see this kind of cricket played more often.
Yes, I think we do follow the post on JCA where you have this blasts happening, and you get engaged with the community also. So I think for this also it was kind of in our small way that we wanted to have a kind of a tournament with just behind. I mean, just in our backyard.
Yeah.
And just people have come by bicycles here, just walk to this place, and I think that's what we are keep on getting feedback that this is convenient. So I think as you said, let's collaborate more on the JCA part. We look forward to a cooperation.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you for having you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We have
そう私と一緒にエリカさんがいらっしゃって、エリカさんと昨日話したときは、昨日は、ちょっとそんなにウィンじゃなかったような話でしたが、でも今日、シルバーリーグのファイナリストですと。
はい。
おめでとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
おめでとうございます。じゃあ、昨日やったゲームと今日やったゲームで何が違うんですかね。
正直に言うと、少しメンバーの方もちょっと変わったんですけど、はい、ボーラーがより集まって守備が堅いチームになったと思います。はい。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。おめでとうございます。じゃあ、この後のファイナルで、なんか戦略とか考えてますか？
そうですね。トスに勝てば、できればフィールディングファーストを取って、相手にいいプレッシャーをかけてから、私たちのいいリズムでバッティングに入れたら、いい流れができるんじゃないかなと思ってます。
なるほど。
はい、
ありがとうございます。じゃあ、ベストオブラックでよろしくお願いします。
頑張ります。ありがとうございます。
Hello, we welcome Anil Raj, who is our esteemed sponsor for this JNCC Season 2 tournament. Anil San has been with us from JNCC Season 1 itself. So we kind of value this relation between Nirvanam and JNCC. So Anil San, you were there last year also. You saw the environment at that time also. There were 12 teams. So this year there are 16 teams. So you have entered now. Do you see some kind of difference as compared to last time, or other views on this one?
I think it's quite electrifying. The environment itself is very energizing, right? And I'm happy to be one of the sponsors. So like last time you were having 12 teams, and this time you are having 16, right? And especially it's happy to know that even Japanese are playing, and especially I was surprised to see one Japanese woman playing men's cricket, right? And that's pretty good. It's a good sign for what is going to be the future of JNCC, right, in Japan, right? So that's pretty good. I'm very impressed about that.
Thank you, Anil. Yeah, I think in future we want to have this more diverse, as you said, like the local community, the Japanese community joining us, and even I think there will be more teams next year. So we will look forward again. You are with us. We are definitely sure you'll be with us on that one also. So let's see how it goes from there. So we have Ashutosh from MCC. MCC was champion in season 1, but unfortunately in this quarter-final of Golden League, I think the results were not in your favor. So Ashutosh, what do you think the journey before this match, and particularly about this match, what has changed?
So journey before till this match was very good because we won both the matches in the league matches. So I think we performed very well in the league matches, but for the quarter-final match, it was very short match, like 5 overs match. So I think that cost us, and even like we stretched the match till the last ball. So I think we did our best, what we can. But I think it's a game. So like one wins and one loses. So that's it. We accepted our loss. So maybe next time we'll perform better and we'll try to go ahead of the stage.
Thank you. I think I did see a lot of matches yesterday where your team played so well. It was very agile, and one of the feedback which we also got today was like since you had TPL also, so that is also kind of showing into the
we played 4 matches today.
Yes. So we understand like this is kind of can become a hectic thing because normally TPL happens in summers,
Right.
And we always have it in November. So they actually TPL brought it, even though we were in the communication with them. But I think couple of teams yesterday and couple of teams today. I think we see there is a taxing which has happened. So maybe I think next year you'll have to take a call. If first we'll try that it doesn't
That will be
double
better.
book kind of thing.
Yeah, right.
But if it happens, then you might have to make a choice, like which
Yeah.
one you prioritize.
Right. Next time I think we'll think about it, because this time it was very hectic schedule for us. Like today we played 4 matches, and like even we couldn't make it like to the time, like scheduled time, so that cost us to the like 2 overs in the match. So I think next time, yeah, we'll definitely think about it.
Yeah. We also are very still positive about MCC. So
Next time
we
we'll definitely perform better. I think we'll go at least to the semi-final stage. So yeah, and I think congratulations and very big thank you to Falcon Club, because I think your arrangement is so fantastic. We have been seeing like all the communication through the WhatsApp group. It's very fine. Like there is no confusion at all. So thanks to you guys, and just keep
thank
it up
you.
this tournament. If you want any help from our club, we are happy to help you at any time.
Thank you very much. That really helps if we get more cooperation from all the teams.
Anytime. Just ask us. Like, we need to like grow the cricket fraternity in Tokyo. So whatever we need to do, I think it's like we need a cooperation from all the clubs. So whatever you need, just call us. We'll be helping.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Ashutosh. We wish you best of luck again for the next tournament. We hope to see you again then. Thank you very much. Thank you. So we have Sabrish with us. He's playing with Tokyo Bulls in this tournament. But I think a lot of you might be knowing him from division matches from Tigers. And I think Tigers had a very good season this time. And even after other matches, other tournaments were also quite good for you. So I want to ask about what do you feel about this whole tournament, what you are playing right now. And then I think we'll get into the division part also a bit.
So the thing is, last year I wasn't here, and this is the first year, and basically I like this setup. So it feels good, and the atmosphere is really good because one of them was asking me like, "Are you not leaving already?" Because we lost. But I said I like the atmosphere. I just want to sit and watch the game. So yeah, it is good. It is a good setup. So I think hats off to the Tokyo Falcons for conducting such a tournament.
Thank you for the encouragement. So how do you find the difference between the season-born game and this tennis ball game?
Season ball game, like it's more about skill and everything, right? Here it's just you go and you slog, but you can't do that over there. Like cannot slog for like 40 overs, so it's the bowlers will come back at you. But here the game is very fast, so you need more energy here, and yeah, it's more entertaining than the 40-over game.
Absolutely. And I think also like being this just near near the places where we live, does that make it a bit comfortable or convenient?
Yeah, like I come by bike, so yeah, it makes really comfortable whenever the tournament is happening in Tokyo. It's really good because you can just it's a 1 hour drive anywhere like from Yokohama or anywhere. So yeah, it is more comfortable inside Tokyo.
Okay. So now talking about then Tokyo Bulls, you had a good day yesterday.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean the last match only didn't I think turn up into your favor. Otherwise, I think it was a whole good tournament for you, right?
The guys were actually tired from the TPL tournament, so they played 3 games, and it was showing in their body language, and there was no energy because they are a very good team. I'm playing with them for the first time, and they are a very good side, very good bowling side. But we could easily see that they were a little bit tired, and that showed off. And opponent also played well. It's not easy to score 74, and they finished it in 6 overs. So yeah.
So just last question then, what worked in your favor when you were winning in the yesterday's match, and what didn't work today?
Like yesterday, as I said, like the boys had more energy, like, and we beat the Rangile Shea guys. I think they're the tournament favorites, and we beat them yesterday because they were more energy and they showed everything. But today, like, it is a whole day, and it could easily see that the energy was down because more than kills, right? Kind of as the tournament progresses, over like holds on to the moments, and whoever is like more energy, and they can win the game.
And then just last question on the whole tournament. So would you suggest other teams also to participate in this who have not yet participated, and
Yeah,
and why?
No, I mean this. I like this because it is not just about hitting in this town because you need to like play a little bit intelligent cricket because there is no runs like not everywhere, and so it's not only about hitting in this ground. So you have to play like you can. There is a respect where you can play singles, ones and twos. So yeah, I like this tournament. Basically, the atmosphere is so good, and that too under lights. I always love playing under lights.
Thank you very much, Sabrish. So look forward to meet you again in the next year tournament.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure.
Thank you. Okay, we have Abhi with us from Rangile Sher, and also the highest scorer in Rangile Sher. And Rangile Sher just won one of the matches, and you have qualified for the semi-finals already. So Abhi, let's start from the latest win. Tell us about how was that game and what worked in your favor.
Actually, that was a tough game to start with. By chance, I got injured today, yesterday. So it was a bit difficult, and I didn't bat yesterday at all. So I think that cost us one game. Today we had a strategy to actually watch out. But I think Lockdown 11 came with a better plan. They executed their first 2 overs like brilliantly. I would say like they bowled outside the block hole on the offside, and we couldn't execute a single shot for the first 2 overs. But third over, I started to move around in the pitch, trying to play with the bowler's mind. Maybe that worked in my favor, and I was able to execute a couple of sixes and push up the score to 60 plus. And it was a competitive score given our bowling. It has performed well in one more tournament. We were wary of our pace attack. So that's what worked in our favor.
That's really great. So, what are the teams now post semi-final which you are watching out for? Like these teams are a bit dangerous, and we have to work out something different with them.
Actually, personally, I would say in a 42-ball game, you can't count out any team at all, because we were expecting Tokyo Bulls to make it through to the semi-finals. They just lost their match, and there were a couple of other teams we were hoping would make it through to the semis, but they are not here in the semis. So it's a different ball game. It's not a leather ball. So 42 balls, it's just like on your day, any team can beat you. Maybe it's just about 3 good balls or a 1 good over, and you're gone. So
Absolutely.
we treat all opponents equally.
Right. So it can be anybody's game, right?
110%.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for sharing the information on the match side. Just want to zoom out a bit and want to ask about your whole experience about this tournament. Like you are participating for the first time. You were supporting us in a different way last time, and that was also very great. So this time you are playing. So how is your overall experience?
Actually, this is something I saw last year as well, and I told you specifically as well. This is one of the better tournaments I've seen in terms of punctuality, organizing things and seeing things get together in a very smooth manner. There is no, rushing around here and there, and this just keeps the atmosphere very calm. And this is something I have genuinely liked Tokyo Falcons Cricket Club for, like managing the things and the scheme of things going around 4 grounds simultaneously. It's not an easy task at all. So hats off to everyone in the Falcons Cricket Club, genuinely.
Thank you for the encouraging words that keep us going and improving even more. So thank you, Abhi, and
Thank
best
you
of
to
luck for your semi-finals,
Thanks a
and
lot.
hope you reach in finals, and the beauty behind you is in your hand. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. So we have Prithviraj, who is captain of Fuji Sakura. Prithviraj, just help us understand like where this team is coming from. You are in Tokyo, or
Yes, we are as a Fuji Sakura Technologies company, as an Indian-based company, and we are came like as a team, as a company team.
Okay.
And yeah, this is our first year. We are from Tokyo-based team.
Okay, that's really great.
Last year also we hear about this tournament, but we can't able to reach the tournament.
Okay.
But this year we tried, and we entered this tournament. And yeah, all teams are very good teams, and I am a division player, and I know all players are from division players. Yeah, this is a big and good tournament. Yeah, that's why we came as a team and enjoyed a lot.
Which division? Which team you play with?
I played AQCC.
AQCC. Okay, great. So tell us about your experience. Like first time you participated in this.
Yes, first of all, it's a floodlight tournament, right? In Japan, it's a very this climate and the floodlight is it's unbelievable, because in sunlight we can't able to play that much.
Right.
But in floodlight, it's a very good tournament, and player levels also very high. We enjoyed a lot. Next year, definitely we will win.
So how do you feel the difference between the season ball game and tennis ball game?
Yeah, a bit difficult to hold the ball and hold the ball. Yeah, but unfortunately can't able to bowl that much. Edokawa, we used to play in floodlight. That helped us to on 1 or 2 games. but we nearly in Golden League. We very near. KKR is a good team in T20.
Yeah, it is really good team.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and tell us like about your match experiences, like what went in your favor,
Yes.
what worked, and what you might want to improve for the next tournament.
Yes, in our league game, first game, our batting didn't well that much. But in our second game, we batted very well and we bowled very well. Our batsmen, openers, Krishna and Madhavan did very well throughout the tournament, and they scored lot of runs. They help us. But we have to focus on lower orders. Next year, we definitely focus on lower order batting lineup, and we'll come strong.
Got it. Thank you, Prithviraj. We hope best of luck for your
thank you.
next tournament.
Yeah, next
I
year.
think you were a great team.
Yes.
We look forward to have you again in the next tournament. Thank you very much.
तो हमारे साथ है दिलीप नेगी फ्रॉम गढ़वाल राइडर्स देवभूमि से. तो कैसा लग रहा है पहला अपना प्ले ऑफ मैच जीत के?
पहले तो थैंक यू फॉर फाल्कन और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. वी आर इन सेमीफाइनल और बस खुशी की लहर है टीम में. बस सेमीफाइनल.
कितना मुश्किल था पहला मैच जीतना?
पहला मैच जीतना थोड़ा हमें खुद पे विश्वास था कि हम जीतेंगे.
कोई स्पेशल प्लानिंग सेमीफाइनल्स के लिए?
सेमीफाइनल ये है कि बस यही खेलना है गढ़वाल और शुरू में विकेट निकालनी है, जो सबसे मेन काम है. अगर शुरू में विकेट निकलती है तो दे आर ऑन प्रेशर, सब हो जाएगा.
और आपको कैसा लग रहा है ये टूर्नामेंट एटमॉस्फेयर?
फाल्कन थैंक यू, बहुत बढ़िया. फाल्कन का जब तक था पिछले साल भी बहुत बढ़िया रहा, इस साल भी बहुत बढ़िया.
थैंक यू. ये है दिलीप नेगी फ्रॉम गढ़वाल राइडर्स. थैंक यू दिलीप फॉर गिविंग योर टाइम टुडे.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we have Ashish Nave from Tokyo Titans Yellow. Congratulations, Ashish, for winning your first playoff match against Bengal Samurais.
Thank you.
So, what do you feel about your first match?
About the first match for the Silver League today, yes, we played very well. This was a good practice to go into the semi-finals with a big win. We made more than 100 runs and defended well, I think. So all our batsmen and bowlers are now, charged up to look forward to the semi-finals and hopefully win the Silver Cup trophy.
So, what do you think? Did everything go as per your plan?
Yes, we did bat well. Our openers were instructed to go and hit the ball from ball one, and that is what they did. We had a partnership of 100 runs in around 5 to 6 overs. So that is what we planned.
How difficult was it to beat Bengal Samurais?
If you stick to the plan, take your catches. Any team can beat anyone. We have to execute our plans, take our catches, bowl well, and that is what we did. And unfortunately they couldn't. But yeah, that is how it was.
So how you're keeping your team warm up for your semi-finals?
Oh, we are having samosas. Thank you very much for organizing everything. Samosas and chai, of course, that is what it keeps.
Would you like to give any feedback to us?
Of course. The best thing about this is, as a cricket community, we need these kind of tournaments where we can come again together after all the corona and all the lockdown. And this for the couple of days, this atmosphere has been electrifying. And we look forward for the next year also.
Thank you. That's Ashish Nave from Tokyo Titans Yellows. Thank you, Ashish, for your time.
Thank you so much.
Today.
Thank you.
तो हमारे साथ नूर हैं ILCC से. ILCC ने अभी सिल्वर लीग में मैच जीता और आई थिंक यू हैव क्वालिफाइड फॉर द सेमीफाइनल्स ऑलरेडी, राइट? तो नूर, जस्ट आप अपना पहले इस टूर्नामेंट के बारे में अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताएंगे. आई थिंक यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम, राइट? बट योर टीम हैज पार्टिसिपेटेड, फ्यू मेंबर्स हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड लास्ट टाइम आल्सो, राइट? तो आप पूरा अपना जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है अभी तक का वो बता सकते हैं?
राइट. मेरा नाम नूर है वैसे, और हम ये टीम जो मैं ILCC खेल रहा हूँ, हम ये टीम आके फाउंड ऑलमोस्ट 3 हफ्ते पहले ही किए. मेरे जो दोस्त थे तो हम 3 किए थे, और एकदम बहुत बेहतरीन लग रहा है. यहाँ का जो एटमॉस्फेयर है क्रिकेट का, जो चारों तरफ है, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है खेलकर. अच्छा लग रहा है पहली बार, और थोड़ा हटके, ठीक है. और आई वांट टू थैंक्स JNCC ऑर्गेनाइजर, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम बनाया यहाँ पर क्रिकेट का, लाइक ऑफ द सीजन, तो हमें 2-3 महीना जो रेस्ट मिलता है वो हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऐसे ही
Right, for off season.
या हर साल की करिए तो और अच्छा होगा हमारे लिए, क्रिकेट के लिए. लाइक वंस अगेन थैंक्स.
थैंक यू. अच्छा, आप कुछ अपने मैचेस के बारे में बताएंगे कि आपके बैट्समैन को किस चीज़ की हेल्प हुई या बॉलर्स ने किस तरह से परफॉर्म किया ओवरऑल अभी तक की जर्नी?
श्योर. लाइक हमने दोनों मैच हार गए थे. लाइक हवा के स्टेट और लेग दोनों जगह का था, तो हमारे बॉलर्स आके एक्चुअली आगे गेंद नहीं कर रहे थे, और करना था उनको आगे गेंद पर गुड लेंथ और शॉर्ट बॉल कर रहे थे. तो हमने 97 रन किया था, मैंने पर्सनली 61 रन किया था, और ओपोनेंट ने चेस कर दिया उसको. हमारी बॉलिंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं रही, और जैसे बैटिंग बॉलिंग दोनों के लिए अच्छा है ये विकेट वैसे. और हम जैसे सिल्वर लीग में आ गए वैसे आज, ठीक है. और सिल्वर लीग में हमने पहला मैच बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, और हमने ओपोनेंट ने सिर्फ 57 रन किए हमारे सामने. हमने वो तकरीबन 4 या 5 ओवर में हमने मैच खत्म भी किया, 2-3 विकेट ही गए थे हमारे. तो अच्छा लगा. होपफुली देखते हैं कि इंशाल्लाह आगे का मैच हम अच्छा कर पाए और फाइनल में हम जगह बनाएं.
Thank you very much, Noor. We wish you best of luck for your semi-finals. Thank you. So I have Ankur Kumar with me, who is representing Lockdown 11. You played 2 matches yesterday also, and you played first match today for the Golden League. Even though the results were not in the favor today, but what do you think about how you played yesterday? What worked in your way? What didn't work today? Maybe you can comment on that.
Yeah, of course. So first of all, we're playing this Japan Cricket Cup for the first time, and the atmosphere is pretty amazing. And we've played the other tournaments, but this has some other, the reputation of this tournament is pretty higher than that of the other tournaments that we've played. So we would like to play this tournament again next year, and this year we have learned a few things. Our team was new. This is the first year for us, so we have learned a few things on this baseball pitch and the wind which is blowing in all the directions. So we'll take care of this in next year, and we'll make sure that we should come into semi-finals and finals.
Yeah, I think wind was fine yesterday. Today is a bit windy, right?
Yeah, today is a bit windy, and you never know on which pitch you're playing, right? So yesterday we were playing on that pitch, so wind was helping us. Today we were playing on this pitch. Wind was opposite to the boundaries, so we were not able to hit the boundaries. So that makes difference for the other team and for us as well.
Got it. But I think for your debut in this tournament, still pretty good, right? You won few matches yesterday. So what worked in your favor yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday, as I said, wind and pitch, and the team was pretty okay because they were league matches. So once you go up into the ladder, into quarterfinals and semi-finals, team performance need to be improved. So this is our first tournament, and the other teams are playing this tournament for second time, I think. So they have more experience about pitch and wind and other things. So.
Would you recommend other new teams also to join this tournament?
Of course. Yeah, I think we get 3 days, three holidays, right? Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I don't know the date. So we can have more teams coming in, and we can organize a big tournament. And it's pretty amazing, If our Indian people or our Asian people like Sri Lanka and Bangladesh and Nepali comes here and see, it just feels like you're in India, right? You're playing an Indian tournament, so it's pretty amazing. So,
yeah. And this would be my last question. Ankur, you also play season ball cricket in JCL, right? You play league matches in Division 1.
Right.
So how did you compare the season ball match with the tennis ball match?
Yeah, it's pretty different. So, season ball game is pretty different. The pitch is pretty flat. You need to time the ball. And this, you play on your strength, right? So, you can drag offside ball to the leg side and you can hit anybody anywhere. So, it's a pretty different ball game. And in this game, ball also swings along with the wind and other things. So that also matters. So season ball is pretty different, and this is pretty different.
That's good. Thank you very much. I think we hope best of luck for your next year when you join this tournament again. And I think you had a good time.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I would like to
So
post my team next year as well.
yeah. So stay till the end, till we have all this award goodies passed on. MVPs from your team might be also there. So please stick around till the end. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Guys, I have Vikas with me. Vikas, I think आप इस बार पहली बार इस टूर्नामेंट में ज्वाइन किए हैं. So we were very curious to know what are your views on the whole tournament experience. और भी कुछ अगर improvement points है तो हम लोग सुनना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में.
पहले तो एक्सपीरियंस की बात करते हैं. तो फ्लड लाइट के अंदर खेलना किसी भी टीम के लिए या किसी भी प्लेयर के लिए एक ड्रीम जैसा होता है. और आई थिंक इस फ्लड नाइट में आई थिंक ये आपका दूसरा एडिशन है. तो इट्स ऑसम एक्सपीरियंस फॉर एनी प्लेयर हु इज प्लेइंग हियर. एंड हमारी इच्छा तो यही होगी कि ये टूर्नामेंट ऐसा ही चलता रहे. और दिन का तो टूर्नामेंट हमने जापान में बहुत खेल लिया, क्रिकेट बहुत खेल लिया, और इस क्रिकेट का जो फन है वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, बिल्कुल ऑसम है. तो टूर्नामेंट वाइज ऑसम जा रहा है. टीम काफ़ी कॉम्पिटिटिव आई है आपके पास में. हालांकि मुझे मालूम है कि काफ़ी टीम को आपने बोला कि सॉरी यू कैन नॉट प्ले बिकॉज ऑफ द रेस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑफ द टाइमिंग एंड ऑल. राइट. बट ओवरऑल आपने अच्छे टीम को पार्टिसिपेशन दिया है. और मेरा तो बहुत नाइस एक्सपीरियंस है, फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है, मजा आया.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. और इस बार हम लोग को भी आप लोग थैंक यू बोलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमें पता था कि आप लोगों का भी जो डेट्स हैं टीपीएल के
Exactly.
वो हमारे साथ ये हुए थे, क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम लोग नवंबर में ही करते हैं, आप लोग समर्स में करते हैं. लेकिन आई थिंक इस बार कोविड-19 के कारण आप लोगों को भी पोस्टपोन करना पड़ा. लेकिन आई थिंक अच्छा कोऑपरेशन रहा दोनों टूर्नामेंट्स में.
मैं उसके बारे में स्पेशल एक पॉइंट बोलना चाहूँगा कि जब ये टूर्नामेंट की घोषणा हुई थी, आई थिंक सेम डे कुछ घंटे के डिफरेंस पे हम दोनों ने घोषणा की थी. उस समय हमारी बातचीत नहीं हो पाई थी. बट ट्रस्ट में थ्रू आउट द टूर्नामेंट टीपीएल और ये नाइट टूर्नामेंट बहुत ही अच्छा कोऑर्डिनेशन दिखा है. जो हमारे नाइट टूर्नामेंट के कमेटी मेंबर थे और मैं उधर टीपीएल का था, तो हमारी अच्छी बातचीत हो रही थी, कोऑर्डिनेशन कर रहे थे. एंड यू गाइस आर ट्राइंग टू मेक श्योर कि अगर आप किसी कारण से डिले भी हो रहे हो तो यू आर ओके टू एडजस्ट. बिकॉज आपको मालूम है कि टीम उधर से खेल के भाग के आ रही है, 1 घंटे लगती है आने में. तो मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स बोलता हूँ कमेटी मेंबर्स को, जिन्होंने टूर्नामेंट के लिए हमारा सपोर्ट किया. और दोनों ही टूर्नामेंट इस वजह से काफ़ी स्मूथ गया.
राइट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ये भी हम लोगों की तरफ से डेलिबरेट था कि क्रिकेट कम्युनिटी के लिए ये दोनों टूर्नामेंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट हैं और कैसे हम इन दोनों को पॉसिबल कर सकें.
मैं आपको उसमें एक लाइन बोलता हूँ कि जो एदोगावा या फिर टोक्यो में जो क्रिकेट है, खासकर अगर आप अपने कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स की बात करें, तो ये ऐसा है कि लोग चाहते हैं कि ऐसी कुछ एक्टिविटीज होते रहे और वो आके इधर फन करता रहे. तो आज भी हमने 2 मैच खेले यहाँ पे, बहुत मजा आया, फन एलिमेंट था. और लग रहा था कि हाँ, मतलब अपने ही इंडिया के किसी कोने में है, कोई स्टेडियम के अंदर आ चुके हैं और गेम चल रहा है. तो ये अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है टोटल.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू. आई थिंक वो कमेंट से पूरे टूर्नामेंट के एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में, आपके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में, मैं कुछ सीधे मैचेस के बारे में पूछना चाहता हूँ कि इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजी आपको क्या लगा कि दिस वर्क फॉर यू, और आपको क्या लगा कि दिस कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड इन फ्यूचर.
बिल्कुल. मेरी टीम अभी सेमीफाइनल में हम लोग जस्ट बाहर हुए. बट कल जब हम पहली बार खेलने आए थे तो फर्स्ट मैच तो हमें समझ ही नहीं आया. हमें लाइट के हिसाब से अपनी आंखों को एडजस्ट करने में समय लगा. और जब तक हम समझते हैं कि बॉल कैसी है, लाइट के हिसाब से कैसा खेलना, तब तक हम मैच हार चुके थे. उसके बाद हमने इम्प्रूवमेंट किया. हमको समझ में आ चुकी थी कि इस पर्टिकुलर टूर्नामेंट का फॉर्मेट ही कंप्लीट डिफरेंट है. आपको चारों तरफ ये लगी हुई जालियां लगी हुई हैं, तो आपको देखना है कि आपको शॉट सिलेक्शन कैसा करना है. बॉलर को पता है कि छोटा सा बाउंड्री है, आप अगर अच्छी बॉलिंग नहीं करोगे तो आप पिटोगे. तो दोनों ही प्रोस्पेक्टिव से हमने इम्प्रूवमेंट किया. बट जो हमारे सामने की टीम थी, स्पेशली क्वार्टर फाइनल में म्योदन और सेमीफाइनल में रंगीले स्टार्स, तो दोनों ही टफ टीम थी. दोनों ही टीम बहुत अच्छा खेल रही थी. और म्योदन तो लास्ट ईयर की विनर टीम थी. तो उनके साथ क्वार्टर फाइनल में कॉप अप करना, और वो भी जो टीपीएल से लेट हुआ तो 5 ओवर का मैच हुआ, तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था. बट दोनों ही टीम ने काफ़ी अच्छा स्पोर्ट्स दिखाया यहाँ पे. और सेमीफाइनल मैच भी हमारा काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग हुआ. सारे दोस्त एक साथ बढ़िया खेल रहे थे, तो मज़ा आ रहा था. साथ में खेलने का डिफरेंट मज़ा है. और टेनिस बॉल के फॉर्मेट में यही खूबसूरती है कि साथ में खेलने तो एक अलग स्ट्रेटजी, आमने सामने खेलने तो एक अलग स्ट्रेटजी बनानी पड़ती है. तो उस हिसाब से भी बहुत ही अच्छा मज़ा आया. बढ़िया.
Thank you very much, Vikas. I think we hope you will participate again next year. और I think उससे ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. We look forward to look at it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.